Hello, so here is my story. I recently bought this BM800 condenser microphone to make better voiceovers for YouTube videos. Well, I bought this microphone with this microphone stand. To be frank, I bought this microphone like 3 months back, and like for a month I have been researching on this microphone. And finally now I know A to Z each and everything that you need to know about this condenser microphone. Alright, firstly I will be starting with the unboxing section. If you don't want to watch this unboxing section, you can always skip to the given time. First in the box is this blue condenser microphone, and you can feel the solid metal at the top of this microphone and cheap plastic feel at the bottom. Inside you can see the condenser and the metal shines very well. And in the bottom you can find the XLR connector. I really hated this microphone for a while, but I made it to work it somehow. Mm. Next in the box we get this anti-wind foam coating, and it is helpful in only two things. Firstly, it can reduce wind noise up to 90% if you are in a windy area. Secondly, you can use this as a cover on your microphone. If you are keeping your microphone in open, it can protect your microphone from dust. Next is XLR to 3.5 mm jack cable, which is approximately 2.5 meter long, that comes inside the box. Next is the stock mounting, which is used to protect the microphone from external damage. Here you can attach your microphone stand to it. Let me attach this microphone into the stock mount, and you have to press these little clips to make microphone slip into the mount. When I tried shaking the mount, the microphone was still intact pretty well. Looks like an decent protection, a pretty solid protection. You can attach XLR connector to the microphone here. You need to apply some force to actually make it go inside. Now I am finished with my unboxing section of the video. I will be telling you each and everything you need to know about this microphone. So let me start with the basics. The one question which comes to each and everybody's mind whenever I am trying to record, why there is noise? Why? Well, you can get an expensive microphone or a cheapest microphone. But each and every microphone will have some noise. In our atmosphere, in our environment, there is always white noise there. There is sound of the clock, sound of the machines, laptop fan, PC fans. So all these noise combined with your voice when get recorded into the microphone, they form a noise. So if you will record by using any microphone, you will always get noise, and you have to always use a denoiser or any kind of hardware or software equipment to reduce the noise, or just make a room with like no noise, like a isolated room. That will help you a lot. Now coming to the next question, do I really need a preamp? Well, preamp stands for preamplification. Alright, it has a simple answer. If you have money, you should definitely buy the preamp device. But if you do not have money for the preamp, then you can always rely on the software. There are many great software in the market like Audacity, that is a free software, paid software like Premiere Pro. Now the next question, do you really need a cable to connect your microphone to a PC or computer? I think myself that's a no for me, because you can use any cable to connect. All you have to do is work on the software to make your sound good. Now let me tell you about my own setup. I am using this condenser microphone with USB to XLR connector, and it is working simply fine for me. I am amplifying my sound using Premium Pro CC, and after that I am reducing noise using denoiser, and then I am using multi-band compressor to make my voice look good. I mean sound good. That's all from my side. Hope you learned something new. So if you have any more questions, you can ask in the comments. I will surely reply to them.